Autos New Zealand. We are part of the largest leasing company in Japan, and we look forward to providing the best quality cars and services in New Zealand.
Ichinen Autos New Zealand Limited is a 100% Japanese-owned company based in Auckland, New Zealand, and eventually other locations in the future. Ichinen was established in 1930. Ichinen's main business is car leasing. These vehicles are maintenance lease, which means our vehicles are regularly provided with preventative maintenance services nationwide in Japan. We have more than 1,000 vehicles which we lease out each month, and then we bring the best quality vehicles which we feel will suit the New Zealand market. The way a general vehicle distribution works is when Japanese customers buy from a new dealer in Japan. These vehicles are then traded in or sent to a used car auction in Japan. However, at this time, nobody knows if those vehicles are regularly provided with preventative maintenance services or the history of the previous owners. Vehicles are purchased from the Japanese auctions by New Zealand agents. Then New Zealand car dealers will purchase cars from the agents to sell at their dealerships to New Zealand's customers. Ichinen's direct distribution works differently. Ichinen buys vehicles from a new dealer, then leases them out to Ichinen's customers. Once leased out, we handpick vehicles to bring to New Zealand to sell directly to New Zealand's customers, and we send the rest to a used car auction in Japan. Only our Japanese company does this kind of distribution system. As you can see, we provide inspected, quality vehicles with competitive prices because we cut the middlemen costs. Once in New Zealand, providing the vehicles meet the safety and emissions requirements, as well as standard compliance, we offer mechanical repairs, servicing, panel beating, and car grooming to make sure that the vehicles are in great condition and ready for our customers. We speak your language: English, Spanish, Thai, Japanese, Chinese, Korean.
And just as our slogan says, we provide the best quality vehicles to ensure that each and every day is the best one for our customers.
We're looking forward to seeing you. We definitely have the best car for you.